What's up YouTube? Welcome to Tech Travelers in beautiful Kodai in guava orchards. Let's go pick some guava. Alright, let's get this one. Alright, there it is. Alright, let's see how it tastes. It is yummy. A blanket of mist adds more charm to Kodaikanal. You can walk around and see the mountain life up close. In a separate video I have covered some popular places to visit, link in the description below. After boating in the Kodai lake, eat some good food or check out varieties of chocolates available in shops all year round. In some shops you can also see how these chocolates are made. Make sure you do some activities like this to burn those calories though. Anyway, the best thing to do is to take a ride in the green mountains, breathe in the cool and clean air. You might actually see something nice like this or this. This is the sheep farm area and the lake that you see behind me is Manavanur Lake. At the sheep farm you can hang out with friendly rabbits and sheep. Thank you guys for watching all the videos. I appreciate all the likes and subscriptions. Keep watching, more videos and content coming in 2020. Have a great 2020.